Welcome to our overview of Voice of the Customer dashboard. On this dashboard, you can review the customer experience, or CX, health of your offers, read customer comments, identify product and listing issues, and take recommended actions to resolve problems. You can access the Voice of the Customer dashboard from the Seller Central main menu. On the Voice of the Customer summary page, you'll see two main sections. The first section is the CX health breakdown of your listings. This metric helps you understand the performance of your offers relative to similar offers. It considers your recent orders and customer feedback about your products. Listings are grouped into 5 buckets from very poor to excellent. Use the filters to look at details such as specific listings, fulfillment channels, or CX health breakdown. The Fit Insights tab, if available, allows you to view brand-aggregated insights for certain ASINs to identify causes of returns, review customer feedback, and resolve size chart defects. Use the Download Data button to populate a CSV file with the information on the summary page. The second section of the page shows your listings and listing details, including your negative customer experience, or NCX, rate and reason. Reviewing these details provides insight into how you can improve customer satisfaction for your listings. Click See Details to be taken to the Listings Detail page, where you can dive deeper in a listing. The Listings Detail page has 3 sections. The first section shows a graph of your NCX rate for that product with a benchmark trend to compare it to. Use the filter to select a time frame between 1 and 12 weeks to see how your rate has changed over a given time period. The next section shows the top reported customer issue for the product. Click See Details to get a more granular look at the top reported reason and understand the root cause. After reviewing the issue summary, click Resolve Issues to view recommended actions. These recommendations are specifically tailored to help address the top reported customer issues. Click Launch to go to the designated page to take action. The last section shows recent customer feedback for your listings. Here, you can read the customer feedback through various sources, including returns, to better understand the customer feedback. This concludes our overview of Voice of the Customer dashboard. To learn more and stay up to date with Voice of the Customer enhancements, review the Voice of the Customer help page in Seller Central. Be sure to check out our resource, Managing Your Seller Feedback, after watching this video. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!